everyone, it's Alyssa from the Township Library, and today I'm going to show you one of my very favorite mug snacks to make with your brand new mug cooking kit. I'm going to show you how to make a brownie in a mug, and it's so easy and it only takes a few minutes to make, and you can have a brownie anytime you'd like. Are you ready? Sounds good to me. Here we go. The first thing that we need to do is we need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm going to take my measuring spoon, I'm going to scoop my butter and get it right in to my mug. Now this needs to melt, so you can put it in your microwave for about 15 seconds. The next thing you need is a 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar. Now you're going to stir it all together. The next thing you need is your egg yolk that has been separated from the white. Stir it in. Okay, what's missing? We need flour and we need chocolate. This is a brownie. So we're going to mix in 4 tablespoons of flour. So count them with me so I don't lose track. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we need 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget, now is when you would go ahead and add a pinch of salt, but my butter was salted, so I don't need to add salt, but you are gonna need to add salt if you use unsalted butter. And now we're just gonna mix it all together, our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. Sugar is considered a wet ingredient. Scrape the sides, make sure everything's incorporated. You wanna get down to the bottom of that mug. Okay, and now, even better, chocolate chips. Let's go ahead and add a small handful of chocolate chips. Mix them in. Get the batter off of your spoon. And now you just put it into the microwave for 45 seconds, and I will show you what it looks like when it's done. There it is. So there it is. You have a wonderful brownie-like consistency. Anywhere where it still looks a little bit wet is pretty much just from the chocolate chips. And it does also get a little warmer and bake a little bit more in your mug because your mug is really hot and the ingredients are really hot. So my last tip for you is don't forget to add your favorite ice cream. Okay, that's it, everybody. This is your mug brownie. Take a look at that. That is a nice fudgy gooey brownie, and I can tell you it's totally delicious. Okay, that's it. I got my brownie with my ice cream while it's nice and hot, and it is hot. It is definitely hot, so make sure it cools down a little bit first before you eat it. But 45 seconds is really all you need, and my microwave is not very strong. So you might want to start with even less. You might want to start with 35 seconds and see if the top of your brownie looks mostly dry like mine did, it's good. Let it cool, it'll be perfectly set and done by the time you're ready to dig in. All right, so that's it. That's how you make your very own mug brownie in just a few minutes. And I hope that you enjoy. Cheers.